Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
You stand up. What's your name?
My name is Prince Kumar Yadav.
Okay. In which class do you read?
I read in class 8 in batch Boson.
Okay. Define natural number.
All counting numbers are called natural number. For example, 1, 2, 3. The set of all natural number is denoted by capital N.
Okay. Smallest natural number?
1.
1. Can you suggest the largest natural number?
No, sir.
Okay. Define whole number.
All natural numbers together with 0 all called whole numbers.
Examples?
For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. The set of all whole numbers are denoted by capital W.
Okay. Define integer.
All natural numbers 0 and negative of natural numbers are called integer. For example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, It is
Okay. The set of integers is denoted by?
capital I or capital Z.
Okay, good. Which integer is neither positive nor negative?
0.
0. Okay. Define even integers.
The integers which are exactly divisible by 2 are called even integers. For example, -2, 0, 2, 4,
Okay. Okay. Define odd integers.
The integers which are not exactly divisible by 2 are called odd integers. For example, -5, -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, etc.
Okay. Define fraction.
A number of the form a by b, where a and b are whole numbers and b is not equal to 0, is called fraction. For example, 1/2, 2/3, 0, 1, etc.
Define prime number.
A number is said to be prime if it has exactly 2 distinct factors. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, etc.
Okay. Define composite number.
A number is said to be composite if it has at least 3 distinct factors. For example, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc.
Okay. Smallest composite number क्या है?
4.
4. Okay. Define twin prime number.
2 prime numbers are said to be twin prime if their absolute difference is 2. For example, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc.
Okay. Define co-prime numbers.
2 natural numbers are said to be co-prime if their HCF is 1. For example, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc.
Okay. Define rational number.
A number of the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, is called rational number. For example, 1/3, -2/3, -3/7, etc.
Okay, very good.
The set of all rational number is denoted by capital Q.
Okay. Define irrational numbers.
A number which cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, is called rational numbers. For example, pi, √2, √3, e, etc.
Okay. Define imaginary numbers.
A number whose square is negative is called imaginary number. For example, √-3, √-4, √-5, etc.
Okay. रूट में -1 को किससे दिखाते हैं?
Small I,
Okay. इसे क्या पढ़ते हैं?
iota.
वेरी गुड. अब डिफाइन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स.
A number of the form a plus iota b, where a and b are real numbers and small I equals to √-1 is called complex number. For example, 3 plus iota 4, 9 plus iota 6, 0, 1, etc.
Please big hand for this boy. Sit down.